Allie here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks so much for taking a closer look at our 2019 Chevy Spark. This is a feisty little car. It has a 1.4 liter engine. It rides on 15-inch wheels. It is very fuel efficient. If you're looking for a car that is good on gas for commuting, this is your best bet. It is a previous rental, so you know that it's had routine maintenance and cleanups, so it's been well cared for, and it is part of our CPO program. And in addition to that, you do get the balance of warranty and 4 free oil changes that OMS offers. The Spark has a hatchback opening in the rear, which opens up to a considerable amount of space for a subcompact vehicle. You do have some depth there for items, and if you need to get larger items in there, you do have the 60/40 split folding rear seats, a nice privacy cover to keep your items nice and secure. There is seating for 2 passengers in the rear seats with a nice cup holder and storage spot in the middle. In the front seat, we do have power windows, power locks, nice cloth interior. We do have the nice armrest that can be used by both driver and passenger. As far as technology, we have Bluetooth with controls on your steering wheel to make hands-free calls. You can connect using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That just allows you to connect your smartphone directly to the vehicle. You have air conditioning as well. One of the best features of this Spark is the low mileage, just over 14,000 kilometers. So you know that there's lots of miles left to go in this little car. So that's a quick peek at our 2019 Chevy Spark. This is a great little car, whether you're commuting or if you are looking for your very first vehicle. This is the perfect choice. Great on gas, low kilometers, so you have a lot of roads left to travel with this. You do have the balance of factory warranty as well as the benefits of our certified pre-owned program. This vehicle's been through a 176-point inspection, so we have reconditioned it fully, and it is accident-free. It has not had any incidents reported on the Carfax. So if you'd like more information on this Spark, please visit us online at ontariomotorsales.com or give us a call, 905-725-6501. You can also text us at that number. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.